Just another tip about restoring and backing up your data. Make sure you practice the restores. Right? Paul's a story about a company that always did the backups but never practiced the restores, and they always felt confident that they were gonna be fine because they always did backups religiously every week, every day. Was it not too sure about the timetable, but they were doing backups very religiously, and when the time came, they weren't able to restore from their backup because they didn't practice the restore process. Maybe there's an update to the system and you need a different file type and you can't back up from there. Make sure you're always aware of the changes, the new patches, the versions of the software so you're always up to date. And practice just the process of restoring because it might be confusing. You might be panicking at this time when your whole site crashes or something goes wrong. So practicing really makes it so that it'll go smoothly when the time actually comes. You know exactly what to do and you'll be able to use your backup. So recommend when you do backup, give some time to practice the restore just so you're more aware of how it goes process and everything it takes to restore from the backup.